This is problem 1 for homework 6.1 and 6.2. Suppose that A is a square matrix with characteristic polynomial lambda plus 1 times lambda minus 1 squared. What are the dimensions of matrix A? The characteristic polynomial lambda plus 1 times lambda minus 1 squared should be equal to 0. So from this characteristic equation, we know there are 3 roots, although 2 of them are repeated. So A should be a 3 by 3 square matrix. B. What are the eigenvalues of matrix A? Since when we solve the equations, we will get 2 distinct eigenvalues. Lambda is equal to minus 1 and lambda is equal to 1. So these 2 values will be our distinct eigenvalues. C. Is A invertible? According to the big theorem, A should be invertible if there's no eigenvalues that is equal to 0. So in this case, A is a invertible matrix because we just have 2 lambdas which are not equal to zeros. D. What is the largest possible dimension for an eigenspace of A? Largest possible dimension of an eigenspace is equal to 2, for lambda is equal to 1, whose multiplicity should be at most equal to 2.